What's up everybody, my name is Keegan with Sandpiper and today I'm going to show you the 3990 FL. So like most of our regular fifth wheels, we'll have drop frame storage which has all of my stuff in it currently. You can see how much it'll fit. All of our regular fifth wheels will come with 4 or 6 point automatic leveling. They'll also come with this awesome MORryde step. So this one has the strut and it's super light and super stable to get up on into your unit. So our 3990, like a lot of our other front livings, is going to have this TV that actually lowers and raises. So that way if you guys want to see the beautiful view, you can lower it to your windshield or you can raise it on up to entertain. Another really cool feature is our opposing height beds. So these will both fold out for extra storage if you've got guests. So our 3990 kitchen, it features a standing dinette, which is really cool. You get the island kitchen for a lot of countertop space. We've got a beautiful 17 cube foot Everchill reefer. It's got a ton of space for anything you might want to bring. We've got a 30-inch over the range microwave, which is awesome. So one of our new features for this year is going to be our Furrion tankless water heater. It's a 60,000 BTU unit. That, and we're also doing our TST tire pressure monitoring system new for 2023. So as you can see, we've got a walk-in shower. We've got a porcelain foot flush toilet. And we have an undermount sink. You do lose a little bit of space. We've put this half loft right here, and you've actually got a full loft above this back bedroom. So you can either use this to sleep extra people. I would personally use this one for storage and this one for sleeping. So as you can see, I'm up in our big loft. We've got our twin teddy bear bunk mats, and this is going to be a perfect space for the kids. And then coming on down here, you've got a massive king bed, you've got enough wardrobe, and you've got a big closet that's got washer and dryer prep in this corner for a stackable washer and dryer. Once again, my name is Keegan with Sandpiper. Thanks for watching. If you guys got any questions about our 3990 FL or any of our other offerings, hit up our website or check us out on Facebook.